In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily make a Twitter post here in Canva. Now, Canva makes this incredibly easy to do because we can utilize their templates. So once you're logged in into Canva and you're on the home page, you want to come over here to the left-hand side where it says templates. Now, if we click on there and come through, we can use this search bar just here to find Twitter posts. So let's go ahead and type in Twitter post. We then want to come down to see all, or we can click on announcements Twitter posts or Twitter posts as well. Now for this example, let's just click on Twitter posts. And now we have hundreds of these Twitter post templates that we can modify, edit, and make our own. So if we scroll through these, we can see what they look like. Now, depending on what you're actually posting about will depend on what you're going to use. So if we scroll through these, we can see what they look like. And if we click on one of these, let's go with this one just here, we're now going to get all relevant and similar Twitter post templates down below related to this top one just here. So this is World Book Day. If we scroll down, these are all going to be related to books. So if we click on this one as well, I quite like this, we can now take a look at all of these as well. Now, if we want to use one of these Twitter posts, all we have to do is click on Customize this design. It's then going to open in a new tab just like this. And then everything here is fully customizable. So if we click on this wording, which says coming soon, we can actually change this to whatever we want. We can also come up here to the left hand side where it says the font's name, and we can change all of these fonts. We can change the background and just everything related to this post. So that's how you can easily create Twitter posts using Canva by utilizing their Twitter post templates. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.